Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to copy an existing route plan in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the heart button at the bottom of the page. And then at the top of the page, click on the route plans section. And then click on the copy existing route plan button. And since we have one route plan set, just click on that. And as you can see, it is doubled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.